If you have a good reason to take someone to court, it's rarely helpful to put off doing that. And depending on the type of claim, the law becomes a ticking clock for you to take action. The laws designed to prevent any dilly-dallying are called Statutes of Limitation. A statute of limitation is a window of time one has to initiate a claim in court. Each state has its own time limits for bringing cases, and there are different time limits for different kinds of cases. It's easy to look up these time limits on the internet. But it's not always as easy to know when the time limit starts. Typically, the clock starts on the day that whatever you are suing about happened, or the day you find out that you were harmed. In Florida, injury, fraud, property damage, trespassing, and oral contracts have a 4-year statute of limitation, while professional malpractice, wrongful death, libel, and slander all have a 2-year statute. Written contracts have a 5-year limitation. Sometimes you can stop the statute clock on a case and then restart it. This is called tolling. Tolling is allowed only for good reasons, some of which include the accused being out of state, in hiding somewhere, or that the accused is currently a minor. There is also something called a statute of repose. A statute of repose differs from a statute of limitation because it's not related to when you first learned you had been harmed. A statute of repose can bar your action even before you have one. These statutes are designed to protect manufacturers and their insurers from liability for accidents that happen after the design life of the product. Say you bought a product over 12 years ago. Then, due to a design or manufacturing defect, the product injures you. In Florida, with a few exceptions, you can't bring a claim for that injury. Exceptions include products that are expressly warranted to have an expected useful life of more than 12 years, or certain specified products like airplanes, railroad equipment, and elevators. For more insight into statutes of limitation and how they apply to your potential case, spend some quality time with Legal U. Legal U. You can do this.